We are an all-volunteer department, and with any all-volunteer public service agency, it is very difficult to keep members, get members, and retaining members for a long period of time. And so, as a result, we have a transient type of environment. So we needed a solution to solve that problem. Plus getting into various sections of the firehouse where people are allowed in certain areas, but in other areas they need to be restricted. And of course, obviously, records management has to be kept fairly secure.
We are replacing a kind of antiquated access system with Honeywell Net Access 123. We've been really helping Victor Fire Department become more efficient and really more cutting edge, if you will.
The access control system gives us the ability to isolate certain areas of the building and make it easier to go from one place to another, and also easier to get in and out. The prior years, we literally would all get together on one night at the beginning of May, and we would all change keys. So instead of handing off hard keys back and forth, we could just go in and change the access control or the function of that particular person on the fly, and it's done.
Net Access is very flexible and has some unique applications. Mission critical things here is if there was a fire or if there was some kind of an emergency, all those doors have to be open for everyone. And we were able to accomplish that for them through the use of Net Access. In the event of any kind of alarm condition, all the doors are open immediately for everybody who needs to get in and out of this facility.
We were storing all of the data and we were doing everything on our own server here. What that also means is that our person that was responsible for maintenance of the server had to worry about the fact that if that server went down or had a problem with it, that we couldn't even get in the building.
Honeywell Net Access 123, it's geared for customers that really don't have anybody on staff that they can dedicate to managing their own access, and that's where Doyle comes in. We're going to manage it for you. We're going to store it in a secured site back at our central station so there's no risk of losing it, but there's somebody watching out for you, for our customers, 24/7.
The managed access is extremely beneficial because on those small things that we can change, I can make the change when I have the time. However, the net access system, the management is appropriate because if it gets to a point where I just don't have the time to do it, I can always have Doyle do it for me.
We kind of call this a shared configuration for them where we're doing some of the management of the access control and they're doing some of the management of the access control, all of it off-site.
The Net Access 123 system, it gives us the ability to do certain things that we would have been prohibited from doing in other systems.
Technology is incredibly important. We want to be on the leading edge of technology because our customers demand it, and Honeywell's got us ready for it.